it again, and this is ITEC251 Network Management. And what we're going to do today, we're going to look at another subnetting challenge. Well, not challenge, but an exercise. So we have this diagram. We have one router connected to four switches, four networks, and we're given an IP address, and we have to subnet it to subnet it to 15 networks. We have 4 on this diagram, and it's asking us for 11 more subnets. So that's a total of 15 networks. We're not given subnet number. We have to assume that. We have to find it rather. So without further note, let's get into it. So just pull up my notepad. 192.168.5.0. Alright, so we have to assume what our networks would be. So let's find our magic number. Actually, let's find our subnet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so this is what our magic subnet would basically look like. So we have the first 3 octets used, and the 4th octet we're gonna borrow some network bits. So we're looking for, according to this table, we're looking for the placeholder 16. So we're gonna borrow 4 bits from the host, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and our magic number would be 16. Alright, so we're gonna get a total of 16 networks, and it's gonna increment in 16 too as well. So we're gonna have 16 hosts along with 16 networks, because apart from these 4 networks, it's asking us for 11 more subnets. So this falls well within our range. Alright, so we're gonna use the magic number 16. Alright, so let's just subnet this. To subnet this, we have to add 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, just put up our calculator. 128. Let me clear that. 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16. Alright, so that's our subnet. 255.255.255.240. Alright, so this would be a slash, would be 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 slash 28 network. Right, so that is our network. Right, so let's just get our subnets. So I'm just going to use the first 5 subnets, and we're going to omit the 0. Right, subnets. So this is our settings, our IP address that we're now going to gather, and then we're going to start building this. We're going to recreate this in Packet Tracer. Right, and it has some instructions: assign, address the interfaces, PCs get the lowest, and routers get the highest. Alright, so we're now gonna get the appropriate settings now for our subnet. Alright, so 19. So the subnets would be increased by increments of 16. 68.5.0, 0 counts as 1, and this goes up to 15. So, and it'll be a slash 28 network. Alright, so that's 1. We're not going to use that. Alright, so this would be network A. I'm calling it A, network A. This is the one that we're going to use. 192.168.5.16 slash 31 slash 28 network. Alright, so what it says the PCs get the lowest. So the PC network, alright, so it has 3 PCs attached. Right, so PC will be 192.168.5. The rest of this would be 18 to 20/28. Right, network B 192. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put in router. Router 192.168.5. Right, so first one after this 16, that would be 15/28. Alright, so I'm just going to copy this template. We have to do this for. Right, so 15, 16. So this will start at 32. Will go up to 48. Like this 47. And the very first tree would be 33. So the router is 33. Alright, this would be the first available address in network B. 33 to 33, 34, 35 to 35. And the router's address would be the highest number, which would be 46, the last available number. Alright, so network B now, network C rather. C. Alright, let me just copy this. Alright, so this will be from 48. Alright, 48 to 64. And give 63. PCs will use the lowest numbers, which will be from 49 to 49, 50, 51 to 51, and the highest number would be. So the network for this, the IP address for this router is 192.168.5.62, because that would be the last usable IP. And finally, for final subnet, because we're not using 0, it would be 64. It would start from, and it goes to 80, which would be 79. Alright, PCs would get the lowest. That would be from 65 to 66, so 67, 3 PCs, and the router would get 78 as usable. Alright, so guys, that's it for our subnetting, configuring the subnetting. And so we head across now to Packet Tracer to input this data and configure our router.